Good morning to all. Myself Preeti from RMD Engineering College, Department of ECE. So today we will continue with human values part 2. So human values, as I've put it in this tree, there are many human values like patience, persistence, character, responsibility, respect, purpose, service. There are many human values are there. It is not that all the human values should a human should possess. It is not at all, and it is very impossible also. But majority of the values can be inbuilt with the human being. We can try to build it. So that's why I've put it here. The next topic is periodic table of character strength. So, what are your strengths and which do you want to develop? A person's overall person's character or overall person's human values can be divided with five different things. So, which is nothing but truth, right conduct, love, peace, and non-violence. So, these five are very important prescribed human values which a person can build. Okay, it is if a person builds all this, at least some of the things, majority of the things, for sure he or she has a good human values. So the topic comes under the truth is integrity, open mindedness, love of learning, perspective, curiosity, creativity. For each and everything, we can give a situation and we can explain. So, if we just talk about integrity, integrity is a very important and a very good word which comes under the human values. It is nothing but being very honest and having very strong moral principles. So, the person who has a good integrity, it is like they will not try to skip the work. They'll be having a like moral principles. They'll be very straightforward without hurting others. So a person having a good integrity principle is very good to have a good human values with his or herself. So next, open-mindedness, which is also related to integrity, love of learning. So if anybody knows something, if he or she is teaching us, we have to be in the place to accept what he or she is telling. It's not that we should not argue that this is only correct, that is only correct, like that. So that comes under love of learning. We have to learn very new things daily, whoever it might be. Even small students know something like which we don't know. We can obviously learn it from them, right? So that comes under love of learning, like perspective, curiosity, okay, creativity, everything. So in right conduct, it is prudence, just, self-control, persistent, bravery. And in love, we can differentiate it with kindness, social intelligence, and so on. And peace, sense of purpose, hope, gratitude, humor, appreciation of excellence, all those things. And non-violence, it is like teamwork, leadership, fairness, forgiveness, humility. So the last topic will be very useful for a professional person. That is after completing your degree, you go to a new environment. You should possess all these five things. That is teamwork, leadership, fairness, forgiveness, and humility. So, what is the meaning of the term integrity? So, as I've already told you, it is like having a very strong, possessing a very strong and honest words. So that we call it as a integrity. We can tell it integrity means it is honesty. Okay, so the quality of being honest and having very strong moral principles that you refuse to change. So everybody will not possess this, right? So each and everybody try to be honest, but not in all the time. So integrity is a very important human value each and everyone should possess. So it gives a very strong action, a strong word, a strong belief in one person who is having a integrity with himself. That is what I've given here. Say what you do. We should just say what all things we can do. Simply we should not tell like I can do this, I can do that, and at the output nothing is done means you don't possess a good integrity. You're not honesty. That is what it means. So integrity refers to the quality of a person's character. When it is applied to objects, integrity refers to the purity of a thing. Okay, very pure thing. So what is it to be a person of integrity? So integrity as a self-integration, as maintenance of identity, like one own individual self. Integrity as standing for something. Integrity as moral purpose. Integrity as a virtue. Virtue means your own values. Okay. So work ethics. And when we talk about work ethics, it is differentiated into three types: interpersonal skill, initiative, being dependable. So interpersonal skills means it is completely a skill which you possess by your own self, which is completely inside you, creating like with the help of your brain, like aptitude, your appearance, all those things. Your initiative is nothing but responsible and motivation. Being dependable, it is very, very, very important. Being dependable comes under work ethics. You should have a team spirit, then only you can depend on your team members, and you should also have reliability with yourself. So work ethics is differentiated like this. Three elements of work ethics will be interpersonal skill. So it includes the habits, attitudes, your mannerism, how you possess your appearances, your good looking behaviors we use around other people. So initiative means starting one thing, just telling that this will be good, that will be good, just having a discussion. Direct supervision is often not a feature of the modern workplace. So you have to give one initiative, a start. So being dependable means, as I've told you, your teamwork. This work ethics construct includes honesty, reliability, and being on time. There is a new term called service learning. So service learning can be in your office, can be in school, can be in colleges, anything it might be. It is nothing but a like service learning is a teaching and also a learning strategy that integrates meaningful community service with instruction and reflection to enrich or to increase or to enhance the learning experience. So this is we call as service learning. So we'll see the other topics detailedly in the next video. Thank you.